Hello, Inda. How is this week?
Everything is fine, but this week is a bit busy. How about you?
I am also a little busy because the welcome party is coming up soon.
Yes, that's right. We often get together in groups to prepare for the welcome party.
Me and my cluster friend met a cluster bot. What about your cluster bot?
My cluster board is almost 90% complete.
Oh, that is good. What activities do you have tonight?
I have nothing tonight. Why?
How about we do the assignment tonight?
Great idea. Where do you want to do it?
Uh, in my boarding house.
Okay, sure. See you tonight.
See you.